brown eyes, cute face, small waist, and the big thighs. Feels like SeaWorld when I'm inside. I promise you, baby, that I could do it all night. I'm flexing, I'ma keep going. Grab your waist.
Hey y'all, it's Paige Cheyenne. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new, just stopping by, don't go too soon. Definitely press that subscribe button and continue to check me out. Today we are doing a tape and install on my client, and it is the famous Jasmine. As y'all know, she's my cousin. She's probably the one who's always in my chair, but that's absolutely fine. But y'all saw in the beginning that we have not been consistent with these trims, so she's definitely getting a trim today. We've already conditioned and washed her hair, and we're just going through with the silk press. We are installing 24 inches of wavy tape-ins, which she is looking for not only length but a little bit of volume as well. So it was a very natural, light install, which came out very beautiful. I hope you guys enjoy the video. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe to my channel. You'll see I am using my T3's curling iron. I do believe it's the Define curl or the Define barrel, which I really do love the T3 curling irons. For my flat irons, I'm using my EAP heat, and then just some, I don't even know what these small ones are, but I mean, they do the job. So another tip I want to give you all is, yes, I'm pressing out, but I'm not pressing fully because I'm always going to go back and style with the tape-ins in her hair. So just so I'm not applying too much heat to that initial install. We'll also be completing a trim today, which is very important prior to doing the install. Because the install is supposed to last a certain amount of time, you want to ensure that the maintenance part of the hair and that healthy hair journey is still being intact, okay? So clients, stylists, make sure you're having that conversation with the client. I think it should be a part of the service. You know, if they haven't had one in a while, just maybe consider having one clients. And if you are doing tape-ins at home, which I don't recommend, I highly recommend that you go to a stylist to get it done. Just make sure that you get that trim, guys.
Think you want a girl like me, fucking with me dangerously. Bet you want a piece of me. Right now I'm living free. Music sending checks to me. Even haters check on me. Think you want is good, baby, I'm the one for you. Got you feeling good, show you what's in line for you. Giving you that good, all chakras align for you. Sending me that good, my life's my design for you. You hit by Cupid, got you acting stupid. You know what the truth is. He spend money Cubic, 3-dimension ruthless. Want me way too ruthless. He picked me up, he's suited. But I'm not foolish with it. Got you hit by Cupid, got you acting stupid. You know what the truth is.
Come ride in the backseat, baby, you don't need a car seat. Run to your love every week, jumping over hurdles like I'm running in a track meet. Who is this pretty girl with the brown eyes, cute face, small waist, and the big thighs? Feels like SeaWorld when I'm inside. I promise you, baby, that I could do it all night. I'm flexing, I'ma keep going. Grab your waist while you move in place, and your tattoos, yeah, they showing. Just keep doing what you're doing it right. Yeah, we setting the mood and we setting the vibes.
Think you want is good, baby, I'm the one for you. Got you feeling good, show you what's in line for you. Giving you that good, all chakras align for you. Send me that good, my life's my design.
Posing it up like I'm script. I'm loving the role you play. Can I call you baby boo?
Oh.